As a technology leader, FCX guides businesses in a practical way through the complexity of cloud transformation. Our priority is to meet our customers' demands and deliver a platform that fulfills all the business requirements while staying within the budget. With a portfolio of 400 vendor partners, FCX delivers the best-of-breed technologies that meet technical, regulatory, and financial challenges. The Unified Communications as a Service, or UCaaS platform, along with the managed cybersecurity solutions we implement, tackles the operational challenges and the compliance requirements manufacturing firms are subjected to in the U.S. and Europe. MPLS, or even a better option, SD-WAN, over multiple internet links and dark fiber, guarantees maximum uptime with 99.999% SLA. Direct Connect routes also establish the fastest and most secure connection into private cloud as well as AWS, MS Azure, and Google Cloud. The cloud storage and IT virtualization our partner carriers bring will deliver the flexibility and cost-effectiveness manufacturers need in today's competitive marketplace, and the hardware solutions we provide are sturdy and ready to perform in the most challenging of production environments. API, CRM integration, and IoT handoff, as well as AI applications, are the present and future. And at FCX, we are ready to take on the integration challenge. From manufacturers of bicycles to bottle caps, FCX delivers efficiency through consultation and implementation support of modern, integrated cloud solutions.